Lustberg Law Offices, LLC has long served the Hackensack community in the wider Bergen County area, providing steady criminal defense representation to people facing some of the most serious charges in the New Jersey criminal justice system. The firm focuses its practice entirely on criminal defense work, allowing the team to stay current on the procedural changes in case law that shape outcomes in Bergen County Superior Court and Hackensack Municipal Court. The firm represents clients accused of a wide range of offenses, from indictable felonies to disorderly persons cases, with attention given to both immediate procedural needs and long-term consequences for the client's life. As a Hackensack criminal defense lawyer practice, Lustberg Law Offices, LLC handles cases involving violent crime, weapons charges, drug offenses, fire-related charges, domestic matters, and the process of clearing past records. How does the public safety assessment in Bergen County actually affect whether someone is detained before trial? The public safety assessment generates two risk scores using factors like prior record, current charges, and history of court appearances, and the Bergen County court system uses those scores along with the prosecutor's input to decide whether a defendant is released with conditions, or held without bail. A low score does not guarantee release if the prosecutor files a detention motion, and a high score does not always mean detention if defense counsel presents a strong release plan at the hearing. The defense lawyer's preparation in the first 48 hours after arrest is one of the most important factors in how that early stage of the case unfolds. What is the actual difference between a Hackensack Municipal Court case and a Bergen County Superior Court case? Hackensack Municipal Court handles disorderly persons offenses, petty disorderly persons offenses, traffic matters including DWI, and certain local ordinance violations, with penalties capped at 6 months in county jail and fines. Bergen County Superior Court in Hackensack handles indictable offenses, which are the New Jersey equivalent of felonies, and those cases involve grand jury presentation, formal arraignment, discovery, and the possibility of state prison sentences. The two courts run on different timelines and follow different procedures, so the strategy in each is built around its specific rules. How long does the expungement process actually take in Bergen County after the petition is filed? A petition for expungement of a New Jersey criminal record under NJSA 2C 52 typically takes between 4 and 6 months from filing to a final order, depending on objections from law enforcement agencies and the schedule of the assigned judge. The process involves serving the petition on the state police, the Bergen County Prosecutor's Office, the arresting agency, and the court that handled the original case, and waiting for the statutory response period to run. Cases with no objections move faster, while cases with disputes over eligibility or scope can extend longer and may require a hearing. Lustberg Law Offices, LLC serves clients across Bergen County and the surrounding area, with a Hackensack criminal defense lawyer practice that regularly represents people from Teaneck, NJ, Englewood, NJ, Fort Lee, NJ, Paramus, NJ, Bogota, NJ, Lodi, NJ, Maywood, NJ, Ridgefield Park, NJ, River Edge, NJ, and Garfield, NJ. The firm provides dedicated legal assistance to clients throughout these communities and is prepared to step in at any stage of a criminal matter, from the first call after an arrest through trial, sentencing, or post-conviction work. When a criminal charge is hanging over your future, getting the right defense team involved early can make a measurable difference in the outcome. For more information about how Lustberg Law Offices, LLC represents clients in Hackensack matters, contact the firm at 201-880-5311 to discuss your case. Visit https://brooklynzeopro.blob.core.windows.net/New Jersey, Hackensack, Criminal Defense Lawyer. HTML to learn more about how Lustberg Law Offices, LLC handles Hackensack cases, or call 201-880-5311 to speak with the firm today about your situation.